is a John Deere 320. It's a 66 horsepower single skid steer, rubber tires. The hour meter was replaced. The hour meter shows 628 hours, but it's really 2628 because the hour meter was replaced about 600 hours ago. There you go, fully functional. 66 horsepower diesel motor to it. I think that is. There is a little trick to starting this. The switch for the seat has been disconnected. So it's got a toggle switch on it. So when you sit in your seat, you just undo that seat belt, put it back in, turn your toggle